Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go through the syllabus, and the syllabus is like the rules and expectations of the class. So we are in room 125. My name is Mrs. Philippek again, and this year we're going to be using 5 different paperback science workbooks that you can write in. However, if you write in them, you'll need to take a picture of it and then upload it if that is the assignment. There will be no paper and pencil exchange between us. If it is a handwritten assignment, you would just have to, like I said, take a picture and then upload it to Canvas, wherever the assignment is located. The 5 books, we start with Science and Technology, then we go to Forces and Energy, and then from there we go to Astronomy and Space, then Ecology and the Environment, and then finally Sound and Light. And those will take us the entire school year to complete. The grading scale, 100% to 90% is an A, 89 to 80% is a B, 79 to 70% is a C, 69 to 60% is a D, 59 and below is an F. If you turn in your work, do all your assignments, and really try, most people have done extremely well in here. So it's really based on following directions, making sure you get your assignments in, and doing your very best. Participation. Students are expected to participate in class. You're supposed to take notes, follow directions, ask questions, complete required activities and labs, and work with partners during group projects and situations. That will all be done on Canvas. You'll have discussions, you'll have collaborations. We will use Google Docs, we will use Canvas, but all of the interaction that revolves around a group will be done virtually. Late work. If an assignment is incomplete by the due date, the student must turn in that missed assignment the next day. After that point in time, all late work will be accepted, but there will be a grade deduction that happens with every day that assignment is late. Students get 1 late pass a quarter. I will keep track of that in Skyward, so you need to make sure that you look at Skyward. The big places you will look for all of your information is Skyward, Canvas, the modules that are in Canvas that will be labeled according to the date, as well as your emails, both your Canvas email and your school email. So it's your responsibility to make sure that you look at all of those places. The due date is posted on the Canvas assignments. If you are absent, then it's your responsibility to make sure that you get that missing work. You can review the assignments on the assignment board in class if you're a hybrid student, but also everything is on Canvas. It's in the home page, which there is a link to in the science class. And if you have me for homeroom, you can just go to there, but because you'll be able to get in because I'm your homeroom teacher, but the rest of you can get in there through the link that is provided in the modules. The responsibility of the student falls on if you are missed, however many days you miss, that's how many you have to make up. But given our remote situation and the ability for you to access all of the assignments constantly, I would recommend that if by chance you are out for a 10 to 14 day quarantine, that you do not get behind, because you will be extremely behind when you come back to school. So you need to make sure that you, if you are able to and you are well enough, if you are home, stay up on the missing work and get those assignments in as close to the due dates as possible. We will also have daily Google meetings in Google Meets, in which all the remote and the hybrid students that are at home during that day can attend. This will take place at an assigned time, and I will send an email once I'm aware of what that time is. Please email me with any questions that you have. I will respond to email, and I will respond to your email. I can do Google Meets until about Friday every day. If you have a question, email me. I'll send you a link. Parents, also, if you need to set up a meeting, we can work together to come up with a time to do that. Make sure that when you're looking at the modules, if you do your module and I give you comments back, make sure that you make sure that you look at those comments, because that's how you're going to tell what you got right and what you got wrong. So make sure that you look at those comments and then tell me that you understand the suggestions that I made. So you need to at least comment back so that I know that you read them. The classroom rules are as follows. You need to listen when others are talking. You need to follow directions. Keep your hands, feet, and other objects to yourself, especially now. I mean, we're not allowed to share any group activities and share any supplies. So you need to make sure that you keep your stuff with you and don't mess with other people's stuff. You need to respect school and personal property. You need to treat others the way that you want to be treated, and you need to participate individually and in group activities, all of which will be on Canvas or in Gizmos, which is the other thing that we will be using. No cheating, and wear masks and maintain social distancing at all times. The consequences: you'll get a verbal warning first, then a phone call home, then removal from class, and then you'll get a referral to the office. There's always the extreme clause, which says that if a situation arises, I can skip number 1 through 4 and send you straight to the office. Here are the books and the chapters that we're going to be doing in those books. You can see for Science and Technology, it's Chapter 1, Lesson 3. That's all that we're doing in that book, but that could take almost all of the first 9 weeks. I will be sending that book along with Forces and Energy home with the remote students, just in case we happen to get to that second book before the end of the year. This is the last thing, and this is found in the module. You will read the syllabus, and then you are going to have your signature and date and your parent's signature and the date, along with your parent's most recent email address and the best phone number to reach them at. That would be your parent or your guardian. There is a quiz that's in the modules in which you will just write all this information in so that I have it. All right, if you have any questions and didn't understand some of the stuff that I said, please make sure to email me at the address that's at the bottom of this page.